In the early part of 2022, many young families spent a lot of time watching Disney's award-winning animated film Encanto repeatedly. While the movie is obviously a great source of entertainment for kids, Rogers estate planning attorneys have also noticed that it contains a lot of valuable lessons that can help people prepare for their family's future. One of the incredible phenomena to emerge from the release of this movie was the fact we don't talk about Bruno. A song from its soundtrack made it to #1 on the Billboard Hot 200 chart. In the film, Bruno is the black sheep of the Madrigal family. Abuela, the family's matriarch, is reluctant to include Bruno or Mirabel in the family's activities because they behaved in a way she did not approve of. Like the Madrigal family, your family may also have its own quirky characters. However, it is important to acknowledge that each member of your family is a unique individual. Attempts to control them may not always work out the way you want. Tailor your estate plan to fit the unique needs of each of your beneficiaries rather than requiring everybody to achieve the same things in order to qualify for their inheritance. Trusting individuals to carve out their own paths is often far more fulfilling than attempting to get them to fit your expectations. Even if her methods are not always optimal, Abuela Madrigal shows as much care and concern for her grandchildren as for her own children when it comes to obtaining and fostering the gifts that they can claim. Many parents focus solely on leaving assets for their children, but you may want to think about the options that can include your grandchildren too. This can include family trust, family banks, 529 college savings plans. Luisa Madrigal is the sibling in Encanto with the most physical strength. Metaphorically, she represents the strong child in the family who habitually takes on the greatest responsibility. Yet with that responsibility often comes a lot of stress. If you have a child in your family who fits this description, it might seem like a no-brainer to name them as a trustee, agent, under a power of attorney, or even as the executor of the will. However, try to be conscious of the possibility that doing this might put enough pressure on your strong family member will, as Louisa sings, tip, tip, tip till you just go pop. Instead of overburdening one individual, consider distributing responsibilities amongst multiple willing parties.